Two BSF personnel die and at least 3 civilians, including 2 women, sustained injuries in a powerful IED blast near BSF camp in Koirengay this afternoon. Chief Minister Biren strongly condemns a recent bomb blast in the state, says such incident hamper peaceful environment of the state. JC Women Front against unnatural shifting of District Hospital Imphal East Sagolmang submits memorandum to Governor, seeks government stay by May 12. And Chief Minister Biren calls for coordination among government officials, urges to set aside egos and work for bringing development. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, 2 BSF personnel were killed and 3 injured, including 2 women in a powerful IED blast in front of 49th Border Security Force BSF battalion camp in Koirengay around 2 this afternoon. The bomb exploded at a grocery shop towards the south of the BSF camp at 2:10 this afternoon. The deceased 49 BSF battalion headquarters are identified as N. Ningthauba Meitei and Sanjay Tinke from Basikong Kunja Panung in Imphal East. They both sustained serious injuries and succumbed to their injury as they were being taken to hospital. 3 civilians sustained injuries, out of which 1 woman identified as Ningthaujam Premlata, 40 years, owner of the grocery shop where the blast occurred, is in a critical condition and is currently undergoing treatment at Raj Medicity. The man injured in the blast is identified as Haishnam Mubi, 35 years, son of Haishnam Manglem from Maibukul in Imphal East. Mubi is a van driver of Manipur Public School and is undergoing treatment at Raj Medicity. He is reported to be out of danger. The third person who sustained injury is a woman identified as Devya Thakuri, 18 years, from Koirengay. Devya sustained minor injury. There is no information yet as to who planted the bomb. SP Imphal East K. Meghachandra, top official of 49 BSF Battalion and Assam Rifles and Forensic Science Team are investigating the matter. Sniper dogs and bomb squad team inspected the site. It may be mentioned that 1 Assam Rifle personnel was earlier injured yesterday in a twin bomb blast in the front of PRO office IGR South at North AOC. Chief Minister Nongthawam Biren has strongly condemned today's bomb blast at Koirengay. He said the government will not take the incident lightly and said those responsible will be put behind bars at the earliest. The Chief Minister made this statement while visiting the injured victims who were admitted at Raj Medicity. The 2 victims are identified as Mangsatabam Premlata and Haishnam Mubi. Mangsatabam Premlata is in a critical condition and is being kept in the ICU. Responding to Impact News query on whether the negligence of the security was a contributing factor in the incident which occurred near the residence of the Chief Minister maintained that the true cause of the incident is yet to be ascertained and assured to investigate the matter without delay. Chief Minister Biren also visited Jennings Morgue where the bodies of the BSF personnel are kept and shared his grievances.
I'm really in a sense Moishum hat care. Moishum Bombokang, Yakushum, Yangla, you have to do the Koyaro. Government even in Adudia. Policing was activate Torkani, Commando activate Torkani, Madame to the police and we hail Hercadura. And I strongly condemn it. Sugum Bagit Havok Thong, Mashida condemned away police akoi law lay lebak se law lay aduna I will hunt them down security ki awat pa hoi thoidong na madu di akoi yenga ga haige madu thoidong na yam ka hena du gumba khoi na intelligence ki source kar ge lay ge budo ado hujimak dai open ha bangam dre ado police ki action akoi silent spectator di oi roi adu ge.
Chief Minister Biren further strongly condemned the recent bomb blast in the state. He reiterated that the peaceful environment of the state has been hampered by the recent bomb blasts which have claimed many lives and left many injured. He said such incidents trigger chaos and fear psychosis to the people of the state. The Chief Minister was speaking at an inaugural function of a one-day Kokun Mela and Farmers Training Center organized by the Department of Sericulture at Sangaipat today. Biren maintained that such incidents will affect the tourism potential of the state as it will induce negative impression to the outsiders. He said dirty politics and crimes will bring no solution for peace. Chief Minister Biren maintained that no power can bring division when there is unity in the state. On the other hand, Chief Minister Biren said silk products need to be upgraded and promoted to the next level. He said many tourists are attracted to silk products. However, with the high price tag, they are reluctant to buy the product. Biren said discussion will be held with the department concerned to make the silk products available at the cheaper rates without compromising its quality. MLA Yashkul constituency TH Septebretta and MLA Tangmei Awangbong Numai were also present at the event.
Sifai laiba kholiba tawriba je hoi aikhoi da khaiba kari tawrge akhaiba tawrga di thengna ba yai human right violation tawna isan nisa da iselina og mamangi tawrumba dumaina ka henba tawrga di yes akhoi mayam haurga tawse ado kitang peace halakpa da ngai ri masidai da sumaina tawbu je ai masi strongly I condemn tawi sarkar ama paliba na aikhoi phana na ba punna na ba thi da ba yaroi do Panana ba punana ba thiba kanda ba soe na mo police pati mo herkane so moi toringa dum ya se ebra khoi dum ya gadre khoi sigi pon mayam sine khoi mangdu tari se Manipur kana thwai doino Manipur thugai ba ngam ba pithibi sida kana laige kana lakada ge ba khoi mayam na samanana leiding ade Manipur thugai ba ngam ba kana lakada ge hebani da ai khoi mayam asuk manana lingjen manana leiding ade khoi gi leiba ke thugai ba ngam ba mi se poktri.
Members of a JC Women Front against unnatural shifting of a district hospital in Imphal East, Sagolmang, submitted a memorandum to the governor today. The members warned of intensifying their agitation if the government fails to bring a definite resolution by May 12 regarding their desire for construction of Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang. Many women protesters from various villages in Saikul constituency and from various places in Kundrakmang constituency, especially from Sagolmang, expressed their grievances to media persons at Manipur Press Club today. Leaders of the JC Women Front condemned the health minister's earlier statement in connection to their demand, especially where he termed their agitation as mere dramas. After addressing media person, the women protester left to submit a memorandum to the governor, but they were halted near GM Hall by a police team, allowing only 5 representatives to do the needful. The memorandum submitted to the governor included demand for construction of Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang and to instruct the same to the Chief Minister and relevant authorities.
Masida kaiguma sabirak ta bathokla phundagum de leiriba kendra sigi maigai khuding maki aduloina cycle block ta leiriba mayam sigi community kayana akan ba khungin jinselagin
praja singa sina thame hena lauraba kholauda ngasi boba hen minister na CM na tabidaba hen minister gumba CM gumba pai senjau boba kya dadi thugi da thungba da moi Delhi yong na chatpa ngam अखोई खुंगंगी प्रजादी चटपंगम जदे चटपंगम ददने इसा इछु कया थमोय दे चागा लगिदबा परोय सिनजे पुबिरक्तर तारगदी जेसी अमदी वुमेन विंग न चंगसिलकपा मतमदा थवाइना पंथा वरकपा अछो अपन लेब कयादा हेड मिनिस्टर अमदी ngasiगी सरकार सीएम न दायित्व पुबिगदमने
अखोई साबीगे हाबेगे महुता पिरांग लोने तारि इमा सिंगु ड्रामा ने हाइबिरक हाबेसे यामन इकानिगा ओबा मसंगी अदुना मखाताना साबीगे हाइबो वाफम सिनतना अतोबो वाफम फोंदो पिरप तारगदी मरि ने हेड मिनिस्टर लाइबा तांग ट्राइन थोसिदगी अखोई मियोय लिसिंग खलमखा के थबक क्रांस जलगनी
Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren asserted that lack of coordination among government offices and engineers hindered developmental works in the state. Biren called for government officials to set aside their egos and discharge their duties for the growth of the state. The Chief Minister was speaking at the inaugural of a one-day workshop on Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin for attaining Open Defecation-Free ODF Manipur, organized by Public Health Engineering Department at Hotel Imphal today. Speaking further, Biren said as per PHED survey in connection with Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, Manipur has attained 82% open defecation free, but according to a report by National Agency, the state has attained 90% ODF. The Chief Minister blamed the government employees for the contradictory reports. Taking advantage of the occasion, Biren drew the attention of the Secretary of the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation, Parameshwaran Iyer, to take an interest in the soon-to-be-launched scheme to facilitate recycling of plastic waste in the state, for which a DPR will be prepared soon. Secretary Parameshwaran Iyer spoke at length on attaining ODF state during the technical session of the workshop.
You survey report, I official survey report na 82%. Aduga third party ki World Bank ki ADB ki moi survey na 90%. Season ba fill the work to what to mami him tadro. Contract oriented to in the tauroga di am to we are ga thapam. Contract oriented mind hai thika ki ne na sangra ba ko thabak to dum failure them. First we should try to deliver what the people need. I quite sorry to say, sorry to coordinate of there. Officer Amaga gi Marka, Ani Humari Masuna, pull the coordination to work to there. That is the man weakness. Igudung Adan Tado. Ayagi problem, Ayagi status, Adan Tado, just people like government servant to Moina, government employees Moina or leader Moina. Equimiams, Punsil Lakanda, what to Gutamsi.
Ukhongsang Naha Apunba Loop Una Loop in a press release informed that a former MLA of Hairo constituency and former Minister of Forest, Revenue and Works Department, Nomai Kalpam Komol, passed away due to an illness last night at his residence in Ukhongsang at the age of 89. District Administration None held Go to Village mission camp for inhabitants of Thangal village under Longmai None subdivision in None district yesterday. Stalls of financial institutes and state departments including District Council, Tamilong, Social Welfare, Horticulture, Agriculture, Forest Manipur Rural Bank, PHED, MSPDCL, etc. were opened to address public queries. President BJP Tamilong District M. Daniel praised the state government for launching the mission on the occasion. He asserted that Chief Minister Biren led government has brought communal harmony among the inhabitants of the hills and the valley of the state. DC Tamilong Hungo Wakshan appealed to the public to take advantage of the day and also urged to submit any complaints or grievances to the visiting department agencies so that the grievances may be addressed at the earliest. SDO None Robert Longjam, SDO Hauchong Aksgar Azad, SDC Nungba Oinam Poirel Nganba and village chiefs were also attended the camp. Acting on a tip-off, B.O. Sikong and his team, under the supervision of DFO Thobal, R.K. Amarjit arrested 2 persons for felling pine trees at Guharok Maring village under Guharok Reserve Forest in Thobal district. The 2 arrested persons are identified as Khaukte Angamla, 26 years, son of KH Nekthilam, and Changmileng Shuam, 18 years, son of Lumingthang Shuam. Both are from Kamuching in Nongpok, Kaithelmanbi. A truck bearing registration number MN02A8427 loaded with 20 logs of pine trees was seized from them. Impact News sources said the Forest Department staff arrested the duo with the assistant from Nongpok Segmai Police at Aripat area. Body of Asem Thaibi, 34 years, son of Asem Kongmei from Thobal Athokpam Haikreng Makong, who was swept away by Arong River in Thobal district around noon on May 7, was recovered around noon today. The body was found around 100 feet away from where he fell into the river. It may be recalled that Asem, from returning from his wife's residence in Kangabok Maishram Laikai, was trying to cross river at House Dam. Officials of State Disaster Response Force SDRF along with expert swimmers carried out massive search operation till 5 in the evening on May 7 but could not trace him. Manipur Fire Service helpline number 101 went out of service since 2 this afternoon. Public may report fire-related incident at DDO Fire Service number 9436274661 or 9862972497, Control Room number 94022261114 or 70054114439 or 84159252200. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham inaugurated a 2-day seminar cum a workshop on the theme Atomic Energy and Radiation for Social Development at the Multipurpose Hall of Dhanamanjuri Community College today. Speaking on the occasion, organized under the aegis of Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India, Minister Radhesham advocated utilization and incorporation of atomic energy in agricultural activities. He stated that the northeast states of India, including Manipur, is lagging behind in terms of development in comparison to other states of India. However, the state should put all-out efforts to join the race of progress by upgrading our skills and knowledge. He further maintained that such seminars to enhance the knowledge for the development of the state is the need of the hour. Various eminent doctors and scientists from reputable institutions, including Head of Department of Atomic Energy Public Awareness Division, Ravi Shankar, attended the program.
We did not grew up properly. Even though other parts of the country, they grew all and grew up. We grew all like them, but we did not grow up. Please see the difference between growing up and growing old. So we need to grow up. We need to catch up with other parts of the country. Atomic energy, seminar on atomic energy is very, very important. To grow up, you have to also grow up. You need to update your knowledge, your skill, your understanding.
A bridge built by villagers near Lilong Turel Ahanbi, Khongnang Makong is 80% completed. However, due to financial constraint, the bridge could not be completed. Turel Ahanbi Road Suspension Bridge Construction Committee organized a public meeting in this regard at Lilong Turel Ahanbi, Khongnang Makong today. Speaking at the meeting, Secretary of the committee Rafi Saha said the villager contributed money to construct the bridge which connects Lilong Haurebi Turel Ahanbi Khongnang Makong and Haurebi Turel Ahanbi Salam in Lilong constituency of Thobal district. However, construction of the bridge cannot be completed due to financial constraints. Rafi drew the attention of the government to look into the grievances facing the villages and construct the bridge at the earliest. All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union has asserted that the gradual deterioration of the diversion road utilized after the collapse of Bailey Bridge at Nungdalan is causing serious grievances to many heavy vehicles coming towards Imphal city. Many vehicles loaded with goods coming towards Imphal are being halted due to the condition of the bridge. Stating the plight of the drivers and transporters in this regard, all Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union drew the attention of the government to look into the matter at the earliest. The union further warned of initiating a steering down strike if the government fails to hit their demand at the earliest. Bharat Sansar Nigam Limited BSNL will hold a telephone adalat at the conference hall of Telephone Bhavan Imphal from 10 in the morning tomorrow. In a press release, BSNL also stated that all pending cases of BSNL landline and mobile services will be reviewed during the adalat. Staff of Agriculture Department stays sitting at Porompada today on the 49th day of the JC, Amtuk and Amjius campaign in demand for implementation of 7th Central Pay Commission in the state. Condemning the state government's inability to implement the same in the comparison to other states, the protesters maintained that agitation organized by the employees under Amtuk and Amjio are constantly hindering all progressive works. They expressed discontentment at the government indifferences to their demand and further warned of continuing their campaign till their demand is fulfilled.
Delaying tactics toba, intonsin toba, payment committee, CMM haiba, and over CSM Lagana, CSM Wari Sanba, was a special committee Muslim haiba, some I couldn't improving it hazard the Bahita, Gamis hazard treb. Pini, Ngamni, Ngamoy, Pidimaram Sini, Pirudomaram Sini Haibado, Saka Saka, Unaraga, extraction in the river M2 Josie, Pamineraga, Losam is a question bomb. A quite matam sang extracts Satana, Satan Leraga. Manipur Praja Singda, Labor government section could be Dibam Kudimakta, Mashikana Fangadoba, Mayan, 1 minute ago, so could Kanja the Banate, Adoba Koisu, Taudi Adaba, Sarkar Sin Tabi, the extraction, she's in Jabani.
Lafupat Tera Labour Union stays sitting today demanding not to remove S. Persojit from being the chairperson of Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board. The protester at the sit-in held at the Lafupat Tera in Mayang Imphal constituency further warned of various forms of agitations if their demand is not met. Liquor seized from Kokching and its nearby areas by Special Task Force, a joint team of man and woman police personnel set up to carry out drives against alcohols under the supervision of SP Kokching Police Victoria Yenkom were set ablaze and destroyed. The liquors, including 240 litres of country liquor and 33 bottles of whiskey seized by the Special Task Force a few days ago and handed over to the Excise Office were extinguished today in the presence of SP Kokching Victoria Yenkom, Deputy SP Excise Thaubal Circle MPS TH Priyokumar, including members of Joint Government, Voluntary Organization and all Kokching Students Union at the Civic Ground of Kokching District.
Masi police department ka loinana koi SP madam yore aduga koi punna pharaga masi thugai bani ngasi thugai basi koi DIC country liquor da 240 liters and whiskey da koi gi 33 bottles and one koi MC McDwell C adi rum bottle ama punna valuation ji 28,600 ki valuation oigado porting asi thugai is.
Wheelchair Fencing Association of Manipur in a press release notified that the first National Para Games will commence from June 26 at Kantivara Stadium and Sai in Bangalore. The press release further informed that selection trials to be in the Manipuri team will be held on May 12 at the training hall of the association at Hawam Mara Kangjam Laikai, Imphal West from 8 in the morning. The association further appealed to all fences registered for the selection trials to attend the selection trials without fail. The third day of the ongoing state-level Youth Awareness Cum Adventure Awareness Camp organized under the aegis of a Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur was held at the Manipur Adventure and Allied Sports Institute, Masi, Kairao today. Adventure equipments were demonstrated and practical sessions were held by the expert at the camp. Speaking on the occasion, Youth Officer of Yaz Nungshijao Kabui maintained that the camp was organized with the aim of helping the youths in solving everyday problems. More than 85 youths participated at the camp.
Hakuli bangang sing sida naharon sing sida adventure si kaino masigi basic knowledge mukhoi de leinaba akhoi gi pandam masi phangnaba mukhoi da akhoi gi sigi masi sida puraga chumna akhoi na lecture pi bakhat nataba mukhoi da asigi demonstration tawduna akhoi awareness da kari ki changi masigi adventure sida kari ki pot changi kholi ha mukhoi awareness ma khangalaga mukhoi na masi encourage to boina akhoi program si mahom si pangtok mi akhoi 100 to 100 mak ti chudre du mafam je puli bangang si 85 ni khoi hakuli bang
Manipur Futsal Association in a press release informed that selection trials for participants of the upcoming National Futsal Charity Cup 2018 from May 20 to 23rd at Lions Club Ground, Tilak Road, Santa Cruz, Ajanta, CHS in Mumbai will be conducted on May 12 at Mekola Ground at 7:30 in the morning. Altogether, 8 boys each will be selected for 14 years, 16 years and 18 years age group categories. The press release further informed all eligible boys to register along with birth certificates and passport photos. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 2 BSNL personnel died and at least 3 civilians, including 2 women, sustained injuries in a powerful IED blast near BSF camp in Koirengai this afternoon. Chief Minister Biren strongly condemns a recent bomb blast in the state, says such incident hamper peaceful environment of the state. JSC Women Front Against Unnatural Shifting of District Hospital Imphal East Sagolmang submits memorandum to Governor, seeks government stay in by May 12. And Chief Minister Biren calls for coordination among government officials, urges to set aside egos and work for bringing development.